Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page.
Now tap on the setting gear icon at the top right corner.
In the search bar, tap See Me Find Friends and click on it. Turn this option on. Go back to the main setting page. Here, scroll down and tap on Contact Me option. Set it to Friends and Contact. Again, go back and click on View My Story. Make sure it's set to My Friends only. Next, go back to your profile page. Scroll down to My Story section. Tap the three dots beside My Story and click on Create Public Profile option. If you don't see the option, go back to the Snapchat camera screen. Now, capture a photo or a video. At the bottom right, tap on Send To. From here, select My Story Public. Tap Send Arrow to post it. Now, return to your profile page. See the public profile option is available. If the option still does not appear,
Open the App Store or Google Play Store.
tap on the search icon at the bottom and search for Snapchat. Tap on Update if available. Sometimes updates will appear late to a few accounts. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for practical tips. Thanks for watching.